The Disney pun. That's good. Do we put the water in the cups?
If you want, up to you. If you want to, let's do it. Why not?
Okay.
Hi guys, today I am here with Danielle Denicola. Is that how you say it? 'Cause
It is.
I feel like it's wrong.
It
Okay.
is. No, it is. A lot of people say Denicola, and it's
Okay,
not.
Danicola?
It's Denicola.
I got it. Okay. So if you guys don't follow her, first of all, her stuff's gonna be linked below. And if you don't follow her, then you don't know that she really loves puns. And if you come and see her at a convention, she likes, right? That's what you do. You ask people to come tell you puns.
Yeah. Yes.
So,
and then I put them on my Instagram story.
Yeah. And I love puns. I think cheesy jokes are the best kind of jokes.
I agree.
Like
I
the
agree.
first time somebody told me the joke, have you been, or did you hear about the circus?
No.
It was intense. So those are like I
Awesome.
laughed for like half an hour.
Perfect.
So
I love
anyway,
it.
we're going to tell each other some puns, and
Yes.
we're going to try not to laugh because we're going to be drinking, like holding water.
Whoever laughs loses.
Yeah, exactly. So, do you want to go first? Or do you want me to go first?
I'll go first.
So you tell me a joke?
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
I'm nervous already.
Ready?
Yep.
What did Princess Peach sit on at the bar? A toadstool.
That's a good one. Okay. So this isn't a question one, but so you might have heard this one. If I'm a night guard at the Samsung store, does that make me a Guardians of the Galaxy?
I got it.
I got it.
I got it. How does Yoshi feel when he gets hurt? Dinosaur.
Oh my god, I've been like obsessed with dinosaurs this whole weekend. I keep talking about how I want a Reptar.
Oh my god. Okay, that's good.
Oh my god. What was Forrest Gump's email password? One Forrest one. So bad. Alright.
I don't know which one to do. Which video game system is always late for school? A tardy.
That was a good one. Oh my god. Okay, again, not a question one. So, Simba was walking too slow, so I told him to Mufasa.
The Disney pun. That's good. That's a good one. What is ready? What is a Tomb Raider's favorite after-school snack? Crofts macaroni and cheese.
Oh my god. That's like a good idea though. For
Right?
real. I would eat
Right?
Kraft mac and cheese.
They can promote the movie like that.
Yeah. Okay. 3 conspiracy theorists walk into a bar. You can't tell me that was a coincidence.
I got it so bad. I got it so slow. I was like,
I know, I did too. I was like, it was fun.
You ready? Why did Ash get arrested? Because while you were in the bathroom, he took a Pikachu.
Oh my god. That was probably my favorite one.
Yeah? Oh, good.
That was awesome.
Good.
All right, well, thanks for hanging out with me.
Yeah, we both did it.
We did really
Neither
good.
of us spit the water.
Yeah, I'm like really full of water now.
I know, me too. Me too.
All right, so guys, go check her out if you're not already. She does the most amazing prop builds and armor and Warbler, and it's really inspiring and it's ridiculous.
She's
also,
very nice to me.
is this Brandon Gilbert?
Yes.
Yep, I think that's like that and Lady Deadpool. Like, oh my god, like that's on my list of cosplays.
Oh
I
yeah.
can't decide.
He makes awesome suits.
I know.
Super awesome.
That's what I meant to say. Like, I'm Sub-Zero today, Amazon chic. Yeah, check her out. She's awesome, and I'll see you guys later.
Bye guys.
Bye.